What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Hercules back with another video. I've been having a couple of people ask me on my Instagram how I eat for the day. Pretty much to stay lean or to get lean on my cut. I'm cutting right now. I'm down to about 100 and I was at 185 as of last Sunday. It's Friday now, so I haven't got on the scale yet. I'll weigh myself tomorrow. But I'm just gonna pretty much show y'all my day, show y'all how I eat when I'm cutting. Today gonna be a little different though, because I am on third shift. I just got up at 4 o'clock. I just left the gym about I'd say about 40 minutes ago or whatever. And I'm about to have my first meal, so I'm gonna show y'all my first meal. Boy, looking lean in this mirror. Oh, look at the abs. Diet never lies. First meal of the day. I always do 2 eggs and 2 serving egg whites for my protein. And then I usually do oatmeal, but today I go back and forth actually. Today we're doing the Kodiak cakes. I don't know if y'all heard of these, but they're very macro friendly. You got 14 grams of protein, 190 calories. Focus. There we go. 340 milligrams of sodium. Now that's okay. A lot of people might say that's bad, but if you drink plenty of water, you know, sodium levels, you don't have to worry about it as much. It's not like I'm prepping for a show or anything, so this works just fine. All right, so I got these 4. I just take 4 of these bad boys, put them in the microwave for about a minute. That's the good thing about them. They're pretty fast to cook, so. Hold on, I almost forgot. I always make my eggs cheesy. Now I know a lot of people are gonna be like, how are you eating, you know, Kobe Jack cheese on a diet? Well, first off, you still need fats on a diet. These may not be healthy as fats, but it works for me. I don't give a damn. Do what work for your body and not what work for everybody else. You gotta figure yourself out. If I could cut and eat this cheese the entire time, I'm gonna do it. You can't stop me. I'm still got lean and lost 25 pounds and I've been doing cheesy eggs the whole time. And there's the finished product. 4 Kodiak flapjack cakes, 2 eggs and 2 serving egg whites with some cheese mixed in there. Add some Walden Farm syrup. You can get this at your local like vitamin shop, or Kroger got it too. And that's it. Meal number 1. High protein, whole wheats, and carbs. Alright guys. I'm actually at my buddy's birthday barbecue, but I can't have that. You stay ready, so you ain't gotta get ready. But hey, look, can't preach discipline if I ain't playing the part. Got to. Second meal of the day, we got some Greek yogurt with almond butter, strawberries again for some fruits, and I'm gonna have 3 caramel rice cakes. And that's it for meal number 2. Good protein, healthy fats, and a nice little supply of carbs. And it needs to be my last bit of carbs for the day. See, look, y'all see what they put me through? Look at all this deliciousness that I can't have.
I have a big one coming too soon.
Practice what I preach. Alright guys, moving on to meal number 3. Meal number 3 is going to be 5 ounces of chicken tenderloins. Now I would recommend you eat this with veggies. We don't have any made right now. I was going to try it with green beans today, but we don't have any made. That's okay, I got to get better at my veggies. Normally I wouldn't have my shake with my chicken. That's a weird ass combination. But I didn't drink it earlier. Like I said earlier in my video, I'm on third shift. So I woke up at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So on my last days of my weeks after work, I gotta kind of bunch all my meals together in order to switch my sleep schedule. Anyways, I'm gonna have this. But hold on. Put y'all on game to the sauces. My buddy Tim was asking about this today. You do not have to eat your chicken plain, even on a diet. I don't know if y'all heard about these, but sugar-free barbecue sauce. You can either get the original or the sweet and spicy. They taste pretty damn good for a sugar-free barbecue sauce. Take my word for it. I didn't want to do it at first, but it ended up being pretty good, so. So I'm gonna have this chicken with my whey protein shake, and that's meal number 3. All right, guys. It's late as hell. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna show you my last meal. 4th and final meal. It's gonna be 5 more ounces of chicken. Simple, but effective, man. Nothing crazy. Still no carbs with this meal. I finished eating my carbs earlier. So after this, I'm gonna have a protein shake again with almond milk this time. And that'll finish my meals off. So that was pretty much my meals for a day of me cutting. Like I said, normally I split my meals up a little more than that, so it ended up being like 4 meals and 2 snacks. But my days all crammed up today, so I had to squeeze a lot of my meals together. But that's pretty much the gist of what I eat. Simple, nothing crazy, low carb. I have all my carbs before my workout and after my workout, and then that's it for the day after that. It's just chicken, water, and veggies when I can get them in. Thank y'all for watching the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And let me know if y'all want to see more of these videos in the future. I tend to change my meals up every once in a while, so if it changes up, I'll show you guys that too. Thank y'all for watching. Hercules out.